Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys like to see other tutorials on the Galaxy Note 8, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. In this video I'll be doing a startup or an activation on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I'm going to go ahead and power it up for the first time, and I'm going to go ahead and get it set up and powered up to the home screen. That way we can see the apps, the home screen, just to see everything. We're going through all the steps that are required, that are necessary to get to that stage. Starting off here, there's a couple Samsung screens that we got to go through. There's an AT&T load up screen. Android is starting, and then here we are selecting the language that our device will be set in, and English is the one that I prefer, so I'm just going to go ahead and select English, and I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And now it's looking for some kind of access way to activate the device, either a SIM card or a Wi-Fi connection. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my Wi-Fi. And now that I have my password in, I'm just going to go ahead and hit connect. So we're going to be just trying to connect via Wi-Fi, not using an actual cell service. So now it's connected. I'm just going to go ahead and select next. And then the terms and agreement, just going to go ahead, agree to all. Select next. It's checking for updates. And here we have a sign in for your Google account. If you have one, you can go ahead, sign it in. I'm just going to go ahead and select skip. And it says, are you sure you want to skip? I'm going to go ahead and skip that. And here it's asking for a name. If you don't want to set one up, you don't have to. Now we're looking at your phone lock option. I'm just going to go ahead and select no thank you. You can do a setup of face recognition, fingerprint scan, iris scan, set up a PIN or a password. I'm just going to select no thank you just to keep it clear. And then here we have all of our little things you can set. There's use Google's location service, help apps, improve location accuracy, help improve your Android experience. Just little things that Google sets. If you don't want any of that, you can go ahead and turn that off. I'm just going to go ahead and select next. And then to review apps, just kind of what apps are going to be on with your device. So if you don't want any of these apps or you don't use them, you can go ahead and deselect them and turn them off now. Once you've selected and deselected what you want and don't want, go ahead and select OK. Adding the finishing touches, setup and transfer, transfer your content, set up voicemail accounts and services. You can go ahead, select next, and then transfer your contacts, photos, videos. If I'm not going to be transferring any of them, go ahead and hit skip. Setting up accounts, I'm going to go ahead and skip that as well. So it looks like you're skipping setup. If you would like to receive a reminder, just tap the later button. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit exit. I don't want any reminders. And then there's more control over just calls you don't want to. You can manually block them automatic. Just a little heads up, little AT&T pop up there. And then here you can go ahead and sign up for your Samsung account. Get the most out of your Galaxy with a Samsung account. And it kind of goes through everything that that has. I'm just gonna go ahead and skip it as well. This is something I can always set up later. So I'm gonna select skip, and then more useful features. I'm just gonna go ahead and just agree to all. Everything that's on. Extend your battery life is on. Secure your stuff is on. Set screen layout. The two sides it's kind of set. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select finish just to kind of get us to that home screen. And just like that, we have made it to the home screen. Here are the apps that we had preset earlier. Now we're just gonna go ahead and just kind of look at it, see what it looks like. Little nightfall, got some live TV there, got Bixby. So yeah, there you guys have it. We are now on the home screen. Everything's activated. We got some stuff loading up here from the top. Pretty cool. Samsung Pay, completing the setup. it's finishing some stuff up here. So there you guys have it. We made it to the home screen and we are now there. So that is my how to start up and activate your device on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, any kind of recommendations, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. That's all you guys for you guys in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.